how to use the CapCut AutoCut feature. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to use the CapCut AutoCut feature. This amazing tool automatically edits your clips, saving you time while delivering very good results. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app. But before I show you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Now, once your app is open, you see AutoCut feature written below the new project option. Click on it and then choose the videos and photos that you want to edit. And then click on next. Now, in the For You section, browse to the available templates, choose the one that best fits your media. This is where you can really get creative. Once you're satisfied with the edits, what you have to do is tap on the Export button in the top right corner. Finally, select the Save and Share to TikTok option to save your video without a watermark. And that's it. You've successfully used the CapCut AutoCut feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.